Hi scientists, the purpose of this video is to walk you through step by step for you to be able to complete the chemical change clues page. So you should have this chemical change page. You're going to need scissors, glue, a pencil, and your notebook open to a blank page. First thing I'd like for you to do is I would like for you to cut around the chemical change page. So here's what it looks like. Next, you're going to make a fold. We're going to use this line right here, and you're going to fold. So I'll fold it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. It's not very much space, but I fold it on the line. So I fold it on the line so I cannot see chemical change. So now I have, on this black line right here, I have a crease. Okay? Then what you're going to do with your scissors, you're going to do some careful cutting. With your scissors, you're going to cut on the line, but you're not going to cut all the way through. So when I say careful cutting, because you're going to stop at that black line. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do careful cutting so that I don't make a mistake, and then I'm going to stop at that black line. One more, two more, and stop. And stop at that one. Okay, so you see how you have the strips of paper hanging. Now what I'd like for you to do is along the part that we folded, so I can't see chemical changes, we're going to put a strip of glue just along that fold. Now that I have the strip of glue right here on the paper, then I'm going to glue that part into my notes. So I'm taking this part that has glue and I'm putting it on the notebook page. I'll show you what it looks like. So now in the notebook, this part that had glue stays stuck, but then I can lift each of these. Okay? Now, under each of these, you are going to write. You're going to write some more information. The information is printed in Schoology. So when you are finished with this video, you are going to go back to Schoology and you're going to find the printed information and you're going to copy it in your notebook. I'm going to write the first one so I can show you what it looks like in your notebook, but then you'll go back to Schoology and do it on your own. So I'm writing in my notebook and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so on the outside, this over here is it's a picture of gas. So on the outside we wrote gas appears. And then on the inside, when you open it up, it says bubbles appear when an acid is dropped in the water. So you are going to write what I've typed in Schoology. You'll write it on the outside, and then you'll also write on the inside. So when you are finished, each one of these has something on the outside, and then when you open, it has information on the inside. If you need help or get stuck, please raise your hand. This is the finished product where I have written on each tab on the outside, and then when I lift each tab open, I can see that I've written under each tab in my notebook. And I have this as an example, so if you need to borrow this notebook and look at it in person, you can do that.